concern as some motor we carry oil, motor we carry fuel, where it is so a tumble side for that side. So for Hawaii for people that they know sabi fine na some small place where they outside Yaoundé, small village for baby grandma they talk say outskirts. So even all country people them small picking they be there for carry enjoy oil where it be the common for inside that motorway. They so na motorway the commot it give oil them for different petrol station them. But sabi say even as way police, gendarme, army put the come for country population say make the kind thing way happen for Nsam, it no happen. Population for that side they no hear. Or then they come out plenty with all that small gallon them for see how they go carry this oil away this home. It be then enjoy one. So last no man in no die. But now say the prayer as well take talk. Now the same way in some fire accident will be take pass where people they be run for go carry fuel. So now the same motorway through him. But we thank God say for that side so for our aim. All the one then so they can carry the enjoy oil. No man in no be the smoke cigar where they go talking as some person will smoke cigar is start the fire. They carry their oil them, they go them quiet. We go open now with chapter for Palava Die. First one, we go take una go for that side for Ndu, where a deputy mayor for that side for Ndu council they call it say for Nyembe. It be then last day for ground for Saturday pass. Ni John when a big man for SDF ebidede na for sika se waiting una sabi say for Ndu side SDF na then get power. Yembe one of the season of photo ebi don work for Ndu council for side for Ndonga Mantun ebide na last day sabi say this pa he die for number 2 day for October moon and ebide na big loss for SDF people them for sika se waiting according to Tiwe big man for SDF Ni John from the TikTok he say ni fun Martin Yembe wey he die so na person wey anytime wey they give work for do am he do am he no dey complain. Even big mayor self for that side for Ndu council he take talk say na man wey they don lost away they no sabi how we go take pass. Plenty cry ebidede and na so too plenty people them they be comot for talk bye bye for fun Martin Yembe wey he be dey to na a member for Kamasesh for inside this palava. So it be then a big day for Kraidai for SDF people them and it be then a big day too for Kraidai for family people them even Tori people them for that side for Ndonga Mantun division for place where they call them say Ndu. Another case for that to take talk and this afternoon we talk Palava Sani Alaji itu na member for UMS nomina that Ndamba team but na union for social union for people them na party political party for inside country Alaji Sani ebi don die so ebi dey na day for member for Sikada one special prayer ebi happen for Yaoundé and this prayer ebi get even president for the party where they call it say Pierre Kwemo ebi dey for do this palava prayer for say make this man Alhaji Sani he go in peace. Sabi say Alhaji Sani as well take talk now one of the strong member for UMS no na football team with the social talk now a political party for inside country and he be don't do plenty work for inside the party now for sika that why that way big people them and even a brother them they become for camp prayer say may Allah he look out his skin as way he don't die. Another story for Palava Die, we talk now na Palava for this coach where they call it say Siwe Diallo, Joseph Siwe Diallo, he be been a coach for Union Sportive of Douala, even as we be the lookout union for Douala, they be give you a point like coach for under 17. Power na the CISO, he be die for this weekend we take pass for that side for Lakentini Waspito. Siwe Diallo, so take Sabi, he be don't be na man with all people they Sabi, he die for Lakentini Hospital for second heart attack. So na big cry die, where football people them, sport people they cry. Sabi say before Siwe be one die, we don't get other coach them, at least 2 that they don't die, like Adolf Eketu, he take die, and other people then. So Siwe Diallo, now another one, Siwe Diallo, as well the TikTok now another coach where he take die so for inside this weekend. So for chapter now, so we come up for chapter for die. We enter now for Ndamba side just for Sabi say all the 8 teams the way they qualify for Cup for Cameroon they don't Sabi them. For Douala here, Young Sport Academy cash start Renaissance from Gomu. He give them 5-0 now for the first Ndamba way happen for inside Douala Reunification Stadium. The second one way happen it concerns Stade Rena and Yaoundé 2 FC. Stade Rena na them first come. After that one FC Yaoundé 2 they come comot champions for League 2. Them too they equalize the 1 goal after they score number 2 goal for NAC Stade Rennais for Melon 2-1. So it means everything inside this Dambam team them too like Cotton Sport for Garoua, they don't comot them. UMS it catch them Nakam 3-1. Sabi say even for Southwest, Victoria United and St. Peters, all them too they qualify after we they knock their opponent then too for inside this palaver for Cup for Cameroon. Country people them now the small one then that will take gather now for inside palaver Tori. But chapter 2 for palaver for Tori, make we see wait Tori then says up for newspaper they take talk. We will not start and today we say make we strive for see. Make we start with the Post newspaper. Waiting the Post newspaper I take talk this afternoon. Now for we for enter back for inside Tori for talk waiting way the Post newspaper I take talk. But for Boya side day, according to waiting way the Post newspaper talk, they don't see some place where they bury plenty people them for that side for Boya. Now people the way according to waiting way the Post it talk. Now people they come and brew they kill them. Then for second say they fear say me put them no see them. They go put them for inside by force grave. Then with the so year according for the Post say Fako lawyers them they don't chakara for sake waiting. Someone the day where they want start work, other one they say they no fit start work with all thing, it never stand up straight. And so for the Post newspaper they talk a palava son Tori man for inside son Tori house where it they so they don't give by force pension for sake waiting. It talk palava for Northwest and Southwest. Now to read that way the Post newspaper it take talk today the Post way day for outside country people them. Now so it take talk for the Sun newspaper when at the second Tori newspaper for this afternoon. The Sun newspaper it talks everything. Mfonvi Imukete it cost all early them for Anglophone. I mean say people the way they concern for Northwest and Southwest. Mfonvi Imukete it cost them. It talks everything. He say they no get courage and they no get everything. They no get heart for stand up and talk the truth. According to wetin from V Imukete talk for the Sun, he talks everything. He say na he be one of the person where he fight so this palaver for commission for bilingualism and waiting they call and say a multiculturalism. He take comot for that side. Sabi say after from V Imukete talk for some seminar for Limbe na so too he take collapse. They carry wrong go for hospital. But so now we no fit confirm how he did. But just for Sabi say he be get some small problem for that side after we talk that palaver. We take una we comot for that side. We will go for the Voice newspaper. Voice newspaper too. They try for talk say even for all the bad thing the way Kamamburu people they do for people them for Northwest and Southwest. So that one Ngomna he declare for the Kamamburu people them according to way the Voice it talk for us number 14 day for this moon where it be then a Saturday for that side for Manfame. Even as way they no be give any other Kamamburu people they see enter for inside market drive people them for outside say make they no sell. So now all the kind thing them that way they see them and they say on top all the one they so clap for them say they do work correct. For that side for the median it ask na question. He say na which time way Fako and Southwest people they go learn for example for Betty and Sawa Early the way they can talk for Mayor Ekema Patrick say Ashia. Sabi say on top all the palaver so Mayor Ekema Patrick house they be chakara and moto them but now only put there for Betty and Sawa people then they don't can talk for Ashiam. Now why that way the media and the ask and say so now when Fako people they come Fako people they when na their combi say their brother Ekema Patrick they abandon him and even as we take happen other Southwest people them they abandon even Ekema Patrick but now other people they come off for outside for can talk for he say Ashia. So they ask question which time Fako and Southwest people them they go get mine for can talk to say Ashia. We take una go for the other one, Edin newspaper for this afternoon. According to way Edin newspaper I take talk. As one of the CM, Barrister Agbobala Felix, he talks everything. Say this mission way early they get for can talk for people them for Northwest and Southwest. He said that one now for only for coach them and for provoke them. According to way Barrister I talk, he say after way they don't do bad on top people them for Northwest and Southwest, they also make people them for can talk with them. Say that one he no correct. According to he say they left all people the way they don't cash them for inside this palaver. And on top that one, if they want true talk, they want to say me United Nations to enter for inside the palaver so that no man he no go cheat he combi. Now so Barrister Agbobala he take talk for Edin newspaper. So for that newspaper, mayor they talk say waiting. They want 10% for state budget. Sabi say this one it take happen after we minister delegate for inside the ministry for territorial administration he enter enter for that side for Boya. Nouvelle Expression when a French Tory newspaper, it dey try for ask na big question. How Jean-Michel Ninche, it takes time so they give you authorize for make waka for number 21 day for inside this month. Sabi say na the first time where any other kind party, it should also for take authorize for any big man for say they want make mash for inside country. 25 years don't pass when they be do that kind of thing. So they ask now the question, how Jean-Michel Ninche it take do that kind of work. So for Nouvelle Expression, also take Sabim, they talk everything. Some Igwe for that side, it by mistake a misdie. They say the Igwe, they be one go kill it, but last it take escape. We go come out for that side for Nouvelle Expression. We'll finish story this afternoon with Lloyd du Sahel. Lloyd du Sahel talks everything. At Tangana Mebara, he don't talk it true. Yes, it last belly true. They be interview at Tangana Mebara. Sabi say na one of Apopo Imanwe dey for Sangatam. He talks the problem for Northwest and Southwest. After we be she done with people that like Agbobala and the people that they be catch them from Gatam. He try for understand say na problem with therefore don't feel for solve and since way it takes start. But for Sika say they left the case, they left the problem. So now anyway it dey so it don't cause problem. So nothing that way at Tangana Mebara. It take talk so for inside that interview with Lloyd du Sahel. It take give am for him. Country people them, now so we see country this afternoon. Want say big thank you for Amos Afongom, big thank you for all people there. They help say make Tori Iwaka fine. For me, I go turn back for some time. If you dey on top table, I tell you say bon appetit. Una hold am tight for outside.